Look at the tire in this car. I'm sure a lot of those guys are gonna get crushed. I don't want to touch somebody else's car. And my car was there. I took them off the tire, but no. Hey, and look over there. Huh? Little birdie being a predator. That's why you guys won't eat the food that I got in the back for you. It says, oh, I don't need that, so I'm not putting anything out. You guys can feed on the cicadas that I haven't. I'm shedding. Yeah, look at there, even on the side right there. A lot of them are gonna get eaten today because I won't be able to, coming from work. I can't save all of you, so I'm gonna start taking some of you to the tree. Okay. Cicada Sunday. Wow.